Yes, you can see the slides ready. All right, so Evan and Jane, keep up the good work for submitting your homework online. Then the rest, what happened? All right, I don't have Wen-Xing's work. I also don't have Ruben's work. You all forgot to submit or too busy to do or too lazy to do?
Forgot to do.
Say again.
Forgot.
Ruben, you forgot to do? All right, so Ruben, you must make it a habit to do it either every Saturday or every Sunday. All right, then you will not forget. You fix a day, either every Tuesday afternoon, or you fix every Saturday afternoon, or every Sunday afternoon, or Saturday night or Sunday night. You decide. All right, could even be Saturday morning or Sunday morning. All right, can everybody fix a day and time so that you will not forget? All right, so I look forward to seeing more names for submission. So good job, Evan and Jane. Keep it up. All right. So let's continue with our mock paper today. Jane is here. Okay, hi Jane. Okay, all right, the first question. All right, so the chart shows the characteristics. All right, these word characteristics you all must know. All right, it's like you're describing what does the plant have, where the plant grows. So in this case, like for example, if the plant grows on land, then you go here. All right, if the plant doesn't go on land, then you go here. Okay, then next question is, are there flowers that will grow on the plant? And then if the answer is no, you go here. All right, so it goes this way. So you look at this based on the chart above, and not based on the knowledge in your brain. All right, based on this chart. So this whole thing is called a chart. All right, it's a C-H-A-R-T. It's a flow chart. All right, this is known as a flow chart. So based on this flow chart, which plant correctly identifies the plant shown below? So look at the plant. Okay, can everyone type into the chat, what do y'all see here? What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? Type into the chat. All right, what do you see in this picture? Okay, good job, Ruben. All right, so only Ruben has given me this. Do y'all see this? So once you see flowers, all right, can you tell me flowers will grow into a what? Okay, fruit. Okay, well done, Ruben. So it is very easy to remember. All right, so F and F. So let me highlight the letter F and F. All right, so if you see flowers or if you see fruit, that means it's a flowering plant. All right, so this is definitely a flowering plant. And where does it live? Looking at this, does the plant grow on land or in water? Can y'all type into the chat, on land or in water? Does the plant grow on land or in water? Looking at this picture, on land or in water? Okay, well done. Ruben is the only one giving me the answers. The rest, I'm still waiting. All right, Evan, where's your answer? Jane, Ruben, Jane, Wen-Xing. All right. The plant grows where? On land or in water? So either you tell me on land or you tell me in water. So which is the answer? Right, can I have an answer type into the chat for the other students? I have 5 students, but only Ruben has given me the answer. Which one? Is it on land or in water? You just have to make a guess. On land, in water. Can you type your answer into the chat? So I'm waiting for answer from Evan and Jane, Wen-Xing. You don't see water here, right? So what's the answer? This plant grows on... Evan, can you unmute yourself and give me your answer, please? Okay, good job, Wen-Xing. But Wen-Xing, you need the word on. Jane, please keep your camera on so that I can see your pretty face. Evan, what is your answer? Do you want to unmute yourself so that it's faster? On land or in water?
On land.
Thank you. Then why didn't you type it into the chat, Evan? All right, then how about Jane? Jane, are you still typing? Claire, are you still typing? I don't see answers from both of you. All right, so this is definitely on land. Am I going too fast? Jane and Claire, you all have to let me know. Am I going too fast? All right, so you all have to give me the response. Otherwise, you will not benefit from the class. All right, so this plant grows on land. So let's go this way. I'm going to use a highlighter. All right, maybe I start here. So I'm a plant. And I go this way. Does it grow on land? Obviously, what's the answer to this question? Does it grow on land? Yes or no? Can anyone tell me the answer? Does this plant grow on land? Yes or no? Thank you, Jane,
Yes.
for typing. All right, yes. So go this way, go right. All right, then next question is, are there flowers growing on the plant? Will there be flowers growing on the plant? The answer is yes or no? All right, yes, right? You see flowers here. All right, see flowers growing, so you go down. All right, if it's no, you go right, okay? So you go down next because the answer is yes here. Then we go to, are there fruits growing? And the answer is yes. So the answer is plant Q. All right, is everybody clear why the answer is B? All right, so this question is very easy. So I want to know even which part, you given me the wrong answer online. Would you like to explain to Miss Ivy which part do you go wrong? It's okay to get a wrong answer, but you must be able to point out to me or point out to yourself where you've gone wrong. Why did you answer the question wrongly so that you can learn from your mistake and improve? It's okay to get a wrong mistake even. So even why did you get the wrong answer? Your choice online was C, which you thought as plant R. Is it because you thought that you didn't see a fruit, that's why you go this way and then you go right, is it? Is that the reason, Evan? Okay, I see you nodding your head. Thank you for responding. All right. So you have to know that once you see flower, even if I don't have fruits, flower and fruits, they come together, right? Flowers will grow into a fruit. All right. Sometimes the picture will show you only fruit. Sometimes the picture will only show you flowers. So it doesn't matter. They can show you only flower or they can show you only a fruit. It doesn't matter. F and F is together. So once you see flower, it means flowering plant. Once you see fruit, sometimes they never give you flower, they just give you a fruit. It also means flowering plant. Once you see a fruit, so let's say I can change this to another picture, no flower, but only one fruit. Then it must also be a flowering plant. All right, because fruit comes from flowers. Right, flowers will grow into a fruit. Okay, so let me write here. All right, so flowers grow into fruit. All right, is everyone clear? Any questions so far? F and F, flowers start with F, fruit start with F. So remember the F word, flower grow into fruit. Any questions? Okay, let's move on. Question 2, this is a diagram of 2 types of fruit cut into half. Based on the diagram, how are the fruits similar? So similar means same or different. Either you unmute yourself or you type into the chat. If you're so shy, I actually prefer you to type into the chat. All right, so can y'all tell me same or different? Similar means what? Thank you, Wen-Xing. The other 4 students. Similar means same or different?
Same.
Same. All right. So similar start with S. So same also start with S. So it's easy to remember same. So which is the same for both? Now both are sweet. Now they say based on the diagram, not based on your experience. You can't be telling Miss Ivy, hey, Miss Ivy, I've eaten an apple before. I've eaten, what is this fruit, by the way? Do y'all know? What is this fruit?
Papaya.
Papaya. Okay, good. All right, papaya. So you can't tell me, oh, Miss Ivy, I've eaten an apple before. I've eaten a papaya before, and both of them are sweet. All right. I've eaten sweet apple. I've eaten sweet papaya. So both are sweet. And then you think the answer is A. That's wrong. Why is it wrong? It's because, anyone can tell me why is it wrong? The apple I ate is sweet. What? The papaya I ate is sweet. What? Why can't the answer be both are sweet?
Not all. They're not always sweet. They're not.
Yeah, they are not always sweet. But what is another reason from the question? Look at this question. What are the important words here? Did they ask you to base it on your experiences or base it
No.
on the diagram?
Base it on the diagram.
Yes, these are important ones. Highlight it if you have your paper printed out. Based on the diagram, not based on your experiences. Are you able to look at these two pictures, this diagram? There are two diagrams here. Diagram of an apple, diagram of a papaya. Diagram means picture. Can you tell that it's a sweet apple or sour apple? Can tell or not? Does the picture, by just looking at this picture, do you know whether it's a, you can't tell. All right, there's no way to tell whether it's a sweet apple or a sour apple. You know, some apples are sour. All right, some papayas are sweet, some papayas are not sweet. Okay, it depends on whether they are ripe or not. All right, whether they are ripe. Okay, so whether it's a green papaya or really an orange ripe papaya. So you can't tell from the picture whether it's sweet or not. So here, this is a question. This is a question that asks you to base on the diagrams above, not based on your experiences. So these both are sweet is wrong. All right, so this is wrong. You must look, the picture doesn't tell us, okay, let me write here, diagram does not tell us how sweet the diagram does not tell us whether the fruit is sweet or not. All right. Okay, so diagram does not tell us if whether the fruit is sweet or not. Therefore, answer cannot be A. Now, what is the answer? Everybody type into the chat. All right, I have 5 of you. I expect 5 answers. Can you type into the chat? You only left with B, C, D. Okay, well done, Ruben. So Ruben is always the first person to give me the answer. Let me see who's the last person to give me the answer. Okay, well done, Wen-Xing. 2 students already. I'm waiting for 3 more students, Jane, Claire, and Avon. What's the answer, B, C, or D? What's the answer, B, C, or D? Don't know, that's right. I'm not sure. I write IDK. You can write IDK means I don't know. Even you're giving me the answer, your answer is already correct. Well done. So I'm waiting for the 2 girls. Well done, Jane. Your answer is already correct. Now I'm waiting for Claire. Claire, can you make a guess? Claire, would you like to make a guess? What do you think the answer is? If you need help, just tell me, I need help. Then I will guide you. I will not be angry, all right? But you must tell me that you need help. I'll be very happy to help you. Don't just keep quiet. You just tell me I'm still thinking. So that I will, you know, in case it's the internet speed lagging. So Jane, are you still thinking? Or are you trying to type the answer out? Okay, are you able to unmute yourself, Jane? Sorry, not Jane, Claire. Claire, are you able to unmute yourself? All right, Claire, what do you see here? What do you see here? All the small things, they are the what? Usually we don't want to swallow it, right? Starting with S. All right, Claire, I'm waiting too long for your answer. I really do not know what is going on. Are you typing the answer out? Okay, so these are the seeds. Okay, so the answer is both are seeds. Both contain seeds. All right, so the answer is B. Okay, now they don't come from ferns. No way they is ferns. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at the fern. What is a fern? Now, anybody can tell me what is a fern?
A non-flowering plant.
Excellent answer from Ruben. All right. but I would really like your